In a previous video, we used a website to convert an image PNG file to a Base64 data URL. In this video, I'm going to write simple Python statements to convert an image to that code. So I'm going first to open the image. I put the images or my images in an assets folder. The name of the image is image6. You can see here the image that we are going to convert. Now I'm reading this image. After reading the image from the file, I will encode them using Base64 that I've imported and then encode the image. I will have the corresponding byte. Then from the byte, I will decode them to UTF-8 to have the corresponding string. I can also add the header data Base64 in order to have a valid data URL and then open a file, a text file in writing mode, save the content to that file, then just read a message to say that the image was converted. To ensure that the conversion was correct, I'm going to use this website. So I'm going just to import the file or the text file we've just created and then check the generated image. You can see that the image corresponds to the one we used. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video. Bye.